Hello everyone. Are you tired of manually translating text, or are you looking for a tool that can perform your translation task better? Then there is a good news for you. There is a AI tool called DeepL.com or DeepL Translate. DeepL Translator is a translation service that currently supports translations between major European languages. It was shown that DeepL translation sounded a bit more natural to humans compared to other major translation services and with their competitors. And DeepL is over 3x more accurate than our closest competitors. Especially the translation results are more precise, and it was at a speed equal to that of its competitor. Okay, so now look into the practical things.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
So this will be the DeepL. Okay, you can see the translation text, and DeepL right is there. Okay, so it can automatically detect language. Okay, these are the languages it can support. Okay, so this, as I said earlier, this will be the languages, and I need not to choose. Okay, if I want to translate from Chinese to English or from Chinese to some other language also, I need not to mentions specifically this is Greek or this is German, like that. Okay, so now look into the work. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's now translate from, we can see what language we can choose. We can choose Dutch. Okay, so before that we should know for what is the language in English for the Dutch, right? So let me say, I'm telling English. I'll be choosing here English. Okay, and here I'll be choosing Dutch. Okay, so I'm just typing, how are you? Okay, so I'm just, so this is the Dutch, how are you? Okay, or how are you doing? Okay, okay, this is the Dutch word for it. Okay, I'm choosing, and I'll be, this is English UK. Okay, so how are you? You can see, all right, alternates, how are you doing? Okay, and here, like, how are you doing? The same part over here. Okay, like alternatives, right? It could be how are you doing, how is yours, how you had been. Okay, of course the meaning represents the same. Okay, so now let's go with Japanese. Okay, for example, no, I will check something else, or like what are the other languages that like Greek will go. Okay, this also, it is a little bit like okay, how are you? I just typed over here. You can see how are you. Okay, so that is this peculiarity over here, and we can translate the files also, right? We can attach a few files and we can translate that way. And here also there is a dictionary available here. If you wish to means proceed further, it can do. And one more we can do last to us, like uh, we'll try with Italian. Come, okay. I'm choosing because Dutch also represents the same. Okay, so I'm doing okay. Yeah, how it goes. Okay, that also a little bit like same, like how are you doing, how it goes. Okay, that it represents the same. Okay, so that is the advantage of it. And there is one more features called DeepL. Okay, see for example, I have means I need to paste some a set of paragraph or a content. Imagine that I have made some few mistakes. So it can give like the suggestions, better writing with DeepL write. So it can give the alternate for my writings actually. Okay, so for example, I'm typing here. So this is the DeepL part. I'm writing here, as you all aware that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI. You don't want to get affected by this recession. Okay, so about this workshop also I have given, right? There's AI tools. So here you can see, as you all know, AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, and if you want to show the changes, you can give over here. As of now, all know, right? AI is taking over the world, and so it has a remote whichever is not required. Okay, and you can see over here join our 3 hours, 3 hour, right? So it has given all the betterment for this content actually. So, and if you wish to choose your style, you can choose. There are if you want to go with enthusiastic, friendly, confident. So these are the advantages, right? You need not worry about your grammatical mistakes or your formatting. Okay, so this can be helpful if you want to write even for sending mails, right? It has to be proper, right? So in that type of cases, this DeepL tool can definitely can help you. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this session, guys. Take care. Bye bye.